Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Banana Foster Belgian Waffles. I'll try and make this video as easy as possible by breaking it down into sections. And we're going to start off with toasting some pecans and slicing some bananas. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees and place some chopped pecan onto a baking sheet and bake for 5 to 7 minutes or until toasted. Then remove from oven. You're going to want to grab 3 bananas and then slice them up into about 1/2 inch pieces. After those have been sliced, place into a bowl and set aside. After the bananas, we're going to move on to the caramel sauce. Grab a medium pot and over medium-low heat, you are going to melt together a 1/4 cup of butter, 2/3 cup of packed brown sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Continuously stir over medium-low heat until it has melted. Once it has melted, you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of rum extract. Let that cook for about a minute or two, and then you're going to stir in your toasted pecans and your banana slices. And pour in a 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup. Stir, stir, stir. You don't want to break the bananas up. Just coat them nicely with the sauce. Then you're going to let that continuously simmer over low heat. You're going to continue cooking that over low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the mixture starts to boil. Gently stir it up, then turn off the heat and remove from the heat and cover and keep warm. Next, let's make the waffles. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees to keep your waffles warm. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to combine 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Stir that up and set aside. Then you're going to grab 2 additional bowls, one for separating the egg whites from the yolks. Place the 2 egg yolks in the large bowl, as well as a 1/2 cup of oil, 2 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Whisk that up and set it aside. Then next, with our egg whites, we're going to want to beat them up until they develop stiff peaks. After the egg whites have become stiff, set them aside. We're then going to pour the wet mixture with the egg yolks into the flour mixture. Mix that up until smooth. Then you're going to gently fold in the egg whites. Do not overmix it here. You just want to fold it in until it's just combined. Preheat your waffle iron. When it is hot, you're going to brush it with some butter. Pour the waffle batter, approximately a 1/2 cup per section for these large waffle irons, and cook until fully cooked. Then you're going to place it into the preheated oven to keep warm while you make the rest of the waffles. When all of the waffles have been cooked, you can make your fresh whipped cream. For the whipped cream, you're going to need a medium mixing bowl. Inside of that bowl, add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Blend until it turns into stiff peaks. Once your whipped cream is ready, set aside so that we can begin the plating process. For plating, you're going to grab a large plate and place one of the delicious Belgian waffles on top. Next, we're going to top it with our delicious banana-y, pecan-y, rummy, caramely sauce. Put as little or as much on top as you want. Then top with the fresh whipped cream and voila! Yum!
Oh my